Welcome back my YouTube channel CoinZF. Before we begin today's deep journey into one of the most surprising and powerful discoveries in the world of rare coins, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, because in every video we uncover the hidden stories, secrets, and unbelievable values behind coins that most people have never even looked at twice. Subscribing helps you stay connected with every rare treasure that could be lying quietly in your home, in an old box, in a drawer, or even inside your pocket without you ever knowing. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of collectors who value knowledge, curiosity, and the thrill of discovery. Today's coin takes us back to a time when currency was changing, designs were evolving, and the world of numismatics was entering a new chapter. The 1971 2 Pence coin may appear simple at first glance, yet the deeper you go, the more you discover that this coin carries a history full of transition, minting evolution, metal composition choices, design shifts, and unexpected collector interest. For men in the age group of 55 to 65 who grew up witnessing the transition from old British coins to decimal coinage, this coin does not just represent money. It represents memories, moments, conversations, and the transformation of an entire monetary system. It represents the shift from the old world of shillings and pence into a more modern and standardized EUR. In 1971, the United Kingdom made one of the biggest currency changes in history. Pounds, shillings, and pence were replaced by a new decimal system, 100 new pence in a pound. The 2 pence coin became one of the earliest symbols of this transformation. It was made from bronze, and its colors stood out immediately. Older coins had a duller tone, a different shape, and a completely different weight distribution. The 1971 coin felt fresh, modern, and new to the people who held it for the first time. Even the inscription "New Pence" reminded citizens that they were stepping into something different, something unfamiliar yet exciting. Collectors today often underestimate how meaningful this shift was. People who lived through the 70s remember the confusion, the curiosity, and the learning process. Many men during that time had to guide their families, teach their children how to understand the new system, and even correct others when the coins were misused or miscalculated. The 2 pence coin, especially the one minted in 1971, became more than a piece of metal. It became a teacher, a guide, and a marker of change. But what makes this coin fascinating today is the number of variations, striking differences, minting inconsistencies, and changes that collectors have discovered over the years. The 1971 minting had several special qualities that make some examples extremely desirable. Variations in strike pressure, differences in the sharpness of the portrait, changes in the spacing of letters, slightly off-centered strikes, dye polishing effects, and even subtle differences in color tone due to storage conditions all create attractiveness for collectors who appreciate detail and rarity. For men aged 60 and above, who enjoy craftsmanship, precision, and the value of old objects, this coin represents everything that fascinates the collector mind. The portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side is one of the earliest decimal portraits. It carries the youthful features of the Queen, with a hairstyle and facial detail that changed significantly in later years. Those who have lived long enough to see multiple stages of British coinage understand how special this portrait is. It reflects a period of stability, transition, and national identity. As the years passed, most of the 1971 2 pence coins circulated heavily. They passed through thousands of hands. They lived through markets, counters, pockets, shops, travel, and everyday life. This heavy circulation means that finding a coin in pristine condition today is extremely difficult. Most examples are worn, scratched, or faded. But the rare examples that survived in untouched, well-preserved state have become extremely valuable. Collectors today especially look for coins with original mint shine, strong details in the portrait, crisp lettering, full rim, and sharp definition on the reverse design, showing the plume of ostrich feathers. The better the condition, the higher the value. But condition alone is not the only factor. Certain die varieties, minor errors, and early strikes made during the initial decimal transition are considered significantly more valuable. Some coins show die cracks. Some show doubled letters. Some show off-center strikes. Some have rotation differences. These characteristics transform an ordinary coin into a special collectible. With the rising interest in early decimal coins, the 1971 new Pence has recently gained fresh attention from older collectors who appreciate the history they lived through and younger collectors who want to own a piece of the past. Rare coins often become more than objects. They become the keepers of stories. A man who held a 1971 new Pence coin during the early decimal days remembers his workplace, his daily routine, the surroundings, the people, the economy, the shops he visited, and the prices of common goods. Coins unlock memory. They remind men of their younger days, and that personal connection creates a deeper value beyond money. Over the years, families store these coins in boxes, albums, jars, envelopes, and drawers. Many men in the older age group pass their collections to children and grandchildren, hoping that those small coins carry forward their stories. This emotional value merges with collector value and creates a powerful reason why such coins are becoming extremely sought after. But the true fascination begins when collectors discover unusual examples. A 1971 new Pence coin with the right characteristics can attract incredibly high offers from passionate collectors who search for perfection and rarity. As with many early decimal coins, the value is rising rapidly. People who once ignored these coins are now realizing that hidden treasures can come from the simplest objects. Imagine finding a coin from your younger years, something you once spent without thinking, and discovering that it is now worth an unbelievable amount of money. That feeling of surprise is what drives people to search their old belongings again. And this is where the 1971 new Pence coin becomes a star. It bridges two eras, the time when it was just everyday money, and the time now when it becomes a collectible with historical pride. The deeper you explore, the more you realize that this coin stands at the intersection of memory, history, craftsmanship, and rarity. Its design reflects a disciplined approach to coin making. Its place in decimal history gives it unmatched relevance. Its scarcity in perfect condition makes it competitive among collectors, and its rising market value places it among the coins that older men are especially proud to own. For those who appreciate true craftsmanship, look at the smooth surface, the balanced proportions, the precise lettering, and the sharp edges on well-preserved pieces. These characteristics remind us of an era when coin production was handled with extreme care, and every detail carried meaning. As we reach the end of today's journey, remember that these small coins have much bigger stories behind them. They connect people to history, to memory, and to identity. And just like many rare treasures in the world of numismatics, the 1971 new Pence coin, when found in the right condition and with the right characteristics, can reach astonishing value. Today's highlighted value of this coin stands at $124,11,11,00 and $1 million.